Video tonight of the splashover on Minot's Beach in Scituate. South Shore first responders were really bracing for that last high tide. That was about 4 o'clock because they had already seen some flooding, and you could see the waves there pounding the seawall. WBZ's Louisa Moller is live right down the road from there in Marshfield. Louisa.
Hey, David, well, the high tide is just part of the trifecta of issues that have been battering this area since the storm began. And the storm doesn't want to loosen its grip quite yet. You might be able to see now that it's dark, the snowflakes are sort of shining against the light here. And this wind, it's not letting up just yet.
The whipping wind made it nearly impossible to see just feet away in Marshfield, part of the triple punch to the South Shore delivered by the blizzard of 2026. Accumulating snow, white-out conditions, and a tide that seeped into the Brant Rock area.
We don't ever really get too much snow here at all.
Yeah.
Maybe a coating because of the wind. It comes right off the ocean. And, you know, this is an ocean effect storm, so now we're getting buried.
Marshfield resident Jim Danubio has experienced it all, but never to this extent. He said driving through town saw peril everywhere.
It's dangerous, really. There's a lot of trees down, a lot of wires down.
Like these downed wires that hung and swayed all over Ocean Street, leaving roughly 70% of the town without power Monday afternoon. More than an hour before high tide, water was already lapping at the edge of Ocean Street. This threat is the one Jim is most familiar with.
It's a hallway and filters right into here, there, over here. It's just, you know, all this area here.
Okay.
And it gets, you know, I've had 2 feet of water in there before.
Now, Brant Rock, if you're familiar with it, is about 1.5 miles from here. We couldn't bring our car all the way down there because of the threat of downed wires in addition to that high tide. The good news is, even though it looks like the water did breach the seawall, it didn't flood out more than just the usual low-lying areas. Live in Marshfield, Louisa Moller, WBZ News.